Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Angie.
I'm Leanna.
So for today's video, we are going to be racing each other, eating the corn.
Inspired by Cars Land.
Oh yeah, Cozy Corn.
From a Cozy Cone.
Yeah, okay. So we tried to make it. We don't know how this is gonna go. We don't know if it tastes good or not. So we'll see. So we have the Flamin' Hot in the front and the regular puffs in the back. Cheeto. Yeah. So I found these online.
ShopDisney.com.
Yes. They are Mickey hands. And you're supposed to stick them in the cob so that like you hold it, you know. Wait, I have like two of the same sides. So you have it like this. They look like your own hands, and you're supposed to stick it in here. We'll see how this goes. Oh, I don't know if I'll be able to like. This side's not really going in. All right. All right. So comment below who you think is going to win. All right, and then also
in the middle, after we finish our first cob, we're gonna have to transfer the Mickey hands onto the next cob.
oh, it's easy to come out. It should be fine.
Well, that's what we're gonna do.
All right. Okay. Okay. All right. You ready?
No.
Are you ready? That's really inappropriate. Okay. I'm nervous. Okay. Do whatever you gotta do. Do it. Okay. In 5, 4, 3.
I'm not ready.
Go. Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to you later. Oh my god. Oh my god. So sick. Me too. My hands are upside down. My hands are Whoa! Oh my god. It's hot. The popcorn, oh my god. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. You can do it! I don't feel so good. I don't feel good. I still made it smaller. Mm-hmm. Oh my god! I really thought I was gonna win, but I feel sick. Wow. Okay, you win.
I won.
Oh.
Let it out.
Oh, that was too much.
Feel great.
I don't feel good. That was thick.
Let me eat that.
You're disgusting.
I'm the winner. Leave a like for this video if you thought she was gonna be the winner. Thanks.
Leave a like.
Yeah.
Why? Because everyone thinks I'm gonna win.
Yeah.
All right. I think what set me back was the first one. Like the taste of the cheese, the cheesiness. Oh, you're touching her with your nasty hands.
My hands weren't that dirty. I didn't even touch
Mine got dirty.
anything.
Was the first one with like the cheese and everything, like it was just so like strong.
I'm glad we started with the cheese first.
That was
The
like
regular cheese, because that one was not
no, I like the flamin' hot one better. Like
Yeah,
if
that's what
I started off with that, I would have been okay, you know.
Oh, if I had to go from the flamin' hot to the regular cheese, I would have gave up.
All right, well, I don't want the flies to come, so all right.
So if you guys want some cute corn holders,
Yes, go to shopdisney.com. It's really cute. It's a lot bigger than I thought. I thought it was like gonna be some small little hands that you just like hold like this, but it's not bad. Like, you know, to hold this, it's really cute. It's plastic, and then it has the little metal piece right there. And it was like cheap. It was we'll put it right here. And yeah.
I gotta go take a nap and floss.
Alright guys, follow us on Instagram. It's at _Our World of Adventure. And that's about it, right? Okay. Yep.
Leave a comment down below if you want us to try any other recipes that you've had at Disney.
Yeah.
We'd love to try to figure out how to make it.
Alright guys. Peace.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Can we try again? I wasn't ready. Yeah, we'll tell you if it tastes like nasty.
Like we did it wrong.
Which we probably did. I mean,
Because the one from Disney was actually really delicious, and this
smells like it's gonna give me some stomach issues.
I'm glad we started.
Yeah.